Hey there, and welcome to today's tutorial. In this video, I'll guide you step by step on how to manage notification settings in the Trip.com app on your Android phone. Whether you're tired of constant offers or want to silence trip reminders, you'll learn exactly how to take control of your alerts. Open the Trip.com app on your Android phone. Make sure you're logged in and on the Account section. In the Account section, tap the Settings icon at the top right corner. Scroll down through the Settings menu until you find the Notifications option. Tap on Notifications to open the full list of notification types. Here, you'll see categories such as travel tips and offers, trip rewards updates, and communication channels. Go through each section and toggle off any notifications that you don't want to receive. Once finished, simply go back. Your preferences will be saved automatically. That's all for this guide. Now you can enjoy a quieter experience using the Trip.com app. Don't forget to subscribe for more useful tutorials like this. Thanks for watching.